Hey guys, so I wanted to show you this X-Shot gun. So this is what it looks like. You have your scope at the top. So basically this is just like white and a dark blue and a light blue, but your scope is right here. That's what it looks like. And then your little trigger is right there. And then the part that you do rest on your shoulder is right here as well too. But yeah, so this is a lot of fun. This is where you pull it back right here. Some of them I have noticed they are hard to pull back, but this one isn't that hard. So this is super easy. It's definitely fun for kids. And then the actual foam bullet size is just like the little standard size. And then this part does go down as well too. But yeah, this is a lot of fun. It is lightweight, so it's a lot easier to carry around. Some of these guns can actually be like super heavy, and that's like the downside to it, especially if it's just a whole bunch of little kids playing. It might be too heavy for them, but luckily this one, it is quite like lengthy in size, but it is light. So that's the cool part. But yeah, it is a lot of fun.